So, when my girlfriend sleeps, she snores. It's really annoying. And I'm just wondering, does anybody else, like, I mean, I wake her up, and I feel like I'm doing it because I'm nice, like, half the time. But the other half of the time, I'm just like, oh, it's so fucking annoying. I don't care that you're, like, choking, not breathing right. Hold on. Half the time I care. But the other half the time, I just, come on, Key. I just don't really care. It's so annoying. Yeah, dude. I know you can't see me for a second. Hold on. I know. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is she, the snorer. It's awful. It's not even like. No, dude. It's like.
Yes.
Yeah, I have to freaking, like, hear it.
No.
I know you have to live through it. That's nothing. I have to hear it, and it's terrifying. I think you're going through, like, a change. You're somehow going through a stage of metamorphosis, and I'll, like, look behind me, and you'll be some weird, like, like some awkward pterodactylish creature. I don't know why I like pterodactyls. That's probably why. Anyway, this video was completely about basically nothing. Does anybody else have a spouse or someone, a significant other, that does that? That just snores like a...
Probably have a lot of couples out there who snore.
What? Yeah, but do any of them sound like pterodactyl demons? Or T-Rexes trying to catch frisbees? Probably not. Okay. That's it. That's all I got. I'm not funny or informative or anything. I'm gonna go now. I've wasted enough of your time, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright. First, you have to look at my awesome freaking shirt. Okay. Bye-bye.